Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'll be showing you how you can create a handwriting text effect in After Effects, where you can create handwriting text for your music videos or maybe your cute videos, doesn't matter. So let's start by creating a text. Click here and then type anything like ciao using a cursive font so that a cursive text is created just like this. All we have to do now after this is to make a path that forms the stroke of the text right in the middle of the stroke of each letter. So click here, the pen tool, and click on the text layer and make a line or a path that the stroke will travel through to make a handwriting text effect just like this. Deselect the layer to make a new path just like this. Keep doing it until each stroke of each letter is already covered with the path that we are making right now. So yeah, it will take long, but you want to achieve this handwriting text effect that we are creating right now. So when we're done, you want to click on the text layer and then head over to Effect. Under Generate, there's this tool called Stroke. Stroke is used so that the path, some parts of the text is shown according to the path that we just created. Oh, I forgot one more, which is this one. Alright. So on the right side of path, select all masks like this, and then change the paint style into reveal original image just like this. Adjust the size of the brush so that the text is all visible just like this, and then when we pull the end just like this, it will create this cursive text effect. Let's set the brush hardness into 100 so that it doesn't look blurry. Maybe adjust the brush size so that it doesn't thicken, just like this. And then if we drag the end slider just like this, well, you can adjust the path so that the other part of the text doesn't show like this, and just do it like this. Make some adjustments. Well, maybe so that some parts of the letter won't appear like this. Hold on, let me do some adjustments, and then when it's done, it will look like this. There's still some parts visible, so we may want to do some tweaks here so that this part won't appear, just like that. And then we just do it like this. Do some tweaks so that this part doesn't appear first when the lowercase letter a is formed, just like so. Hold on a while, and then do it just like that. And then if we drag the slider, it will look like this, but there's still some parts that's still visible, so we have to do some tweaks here, just like this. And then we can drag the slider on the right side of end, and then when you're done, there's still some parts visible here, we can just drag the path point just like this. and then hold on, some parts is still visible, and then we if we do it like this, this part is still visible, so I have to alright, do it like this, and then when it's done, ooh, it's looking smooth now. So let's animate this text so that it has this handwriting effect applied into it. So go under effects, go under stroke, and then make a keyframe by clicking on this stopwatch icon, just like so. Oh, maybe I have to change the frame rate into 60 actually. Right click on it and then head over to composition settings and then change the frame rate to 60 so that it looks much smoother. All we have to do now is to make the text appear in a handwriting motion. So let's click on the stopwatch on the left side of end, and let's say if you want the text to appear for like 2 seconds, drag the time indicator here at 2 seconds and then set the end amount to 100%, just like this, and then when we play it, ooh, doesn't it look fancy? Doesn't it look fancy? The handwriting text effect is now applied to your text. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, but for me, it's good day. Ciao!